Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate the serial number on your engine. Your engine has a part number and it has a serial number. The serial number is often critical to ordering the correct parts for your timing belt, your PCV, things like that. They thought it was a great thing at Volvo to change this stuff up midway through a year, 3 days after they started manufacturing, stuff like that. They had good intentions, but it can be frustrating. Let me show you how to find these serial numbers. After you get the hood open, you got your coolant reservoir tank here. Your timing belt is right there. That there tells you that, hey, this is your timing belt cover, and that sticker there has your part number and your serial number on it. Now, I'm not sure what that top number is, that 682 number, but down there, I believe that's the serial number, 441390, and then under that is the part number, B5234T5. So this is a T5 engine. The other place that that number and serial number is located is back here. You go back, that coolant bottle has a hose that go back there. You follow that back and you will see a ledge back there under that coolant bottle. Let me turn the light on so you can see that better. A lot of cars have a stabilizing bar up here, which makes it hard to see that, but you go back there and right down there there's that little ledge. Let me see if I can zoom in on there and see my number there. And that's my number. I can't really see it, but that is it. If the camera zooms in, you could click the picture button and take a picture of it. I got all kind of corrosion on mine, so I really can't see mine that good. That's that. That's where your serial number's located. In times past, I have taken a brass wire brush to brush a serial number off to see it. Or you might be able to take a Scotch-Brite pad, reach down there, rub that off so that you can see it, but that is the serial number. If you come across the top of the motor and look down past this coolant line here, you'll see those numbers there. And this one says B 5-cylinder 2.3 4T, just like on the sticker, and then the serial number is down under there for people that like to order heads and PVC kits and stuff like that. So that's where you need to find that serial number on the back of the motor. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.